to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for November month. So this is the bag which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well, like 3 months, 6 months, and a yearly subscription. Plus, I have a coupon code for 10% discount on 3 months, 6 months, and on yearly subscription. The coupon code is RITU10. I will be mentioning the buying link of Fab Bag plus the coupon code. And this month also they have one makeup selection as usual. Now let's quickly start. So this is the bag, and as you know, the quality of Fab bags are really nice, and this time the color is gold and black like this. And once you open it, this is how it looks. So it's a decent bag. I like it. Now moving on to the cards. I have some cards here, total 3 cards. The first one is the renewal offer. Then the next one is the Fab Bag contest. And it says you just have to click a picture of your November Fab Bag, tag Fab Bag on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then you can stand a chance to win Seduction Las Vegas Nail Paint. 108 is the shade number. Now the last one is the info card. So this is how it looks, and the theme for this month is the Beauty Fix November Fab Bag. Now let's start with the first one. First one is always makeup selection. So this month the choices are between this NILF lipstick, powered matte, and they have several options. I guess 7 or 8 options are there. So this is the first one. I have selected 109 shade number. And this is how it looks. As you know, I love pink and lighter shades. So that's why this one, the shade number is PM109. And let me just show you some here on my hand. And it's very beautiful pink, as you can see. Yes, really pretty. I love it. The price for this one is 450 rupees. Now moving on to the second one. The second one is again a makeup product, and this one is by Chambord, and this is a eyeliner pencil. The color is black. 101 is the number, and it's a full size product. The price for this one is 645 rupees. Let me just open it and show you. This is the beautiful pencil here. You can just see some design here. So yes, I like it. Black color kajal pencil. Of course, very useful. 645 is the price, and the brand is of course Shampoo. We all know about that. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Nature's Co. Nature's Co is like my favorite kind of a brand, you can say. And this one is the Purifying Vanilla Hand and Cuticle Emulsion. 250 is the price for 50 ml. This is 50 ml, just see. So I have already used it. It's nice. The fragrance, the feel, everything is just nice. And the price, I have already told you, 250 for 50 grams. So yeah, good useful product. And as winters are here, so hand creams, yes, I think quite useful product. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Chronocare, and it's a enriched lip balm. It's a full size product. The price for this one is 245 rupees, and this is how it looks. Lip balm, again a very useful product, I guess. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Plush, and it's a travel pack. This is the one. And in this, we have one light flow pad. The second is, again, one heavy flow pad, and one is Panty liner. This says it's 100% pure US cotton, paraben-free, fragrance-free, chlorine-free. So this is the travel pack by Plush. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is by Pure Dust. It's a herbal powdered face wash. Okay, this is a sample product. And the price for this one is 10 rupees. Simple product. It's a powder face wash. So yes, I really want to use it. Looking forward for this one. 2 gram is the quantity, and it says it's suitable for all skin type. Experience face wash in a new refreshing form. So that's all what I have received in my Fab Bag for November month. As you can see, all the products are quite useful. I like it. The lipstick is really nice. Then the kajal is nice. Then lip balm is useful. So I think all the products are quite useful. And yes, I'm pretty much happy with my Fab Bag. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.